Hey yaar, how are you all? सब अच्छे से होगे I believe, and you must be enjoying. So I just made this video to just to say happy Holi to you all guys. Happy Holi, safe Holi, enjoy with your family, and yes, I must say that we are very lucky enough that we are celebrating Holi, and I must also say that we must always enjoy and cherish, because we never know what the time comes and what the scenario is. ठीक है, so we must always enjoy the moment which we are living. We are very lucky enough that we have all our hands, all our legs working. ठीक है, and I've also seen some of the people who don't have even their hands and legs, and then also they are happy enough, they are celebrating, enjoying their life. So we have to be very happy. We are lucky enough that we are with our families, we are in a well built room, ठीक है, sitting under fan. See all these Fauji officers who are not with their family, so they are also playing Holi and they are also enjoying. So we must always live each and every moment. ठीक है, so with that positivity I must say that enjoy your Holi, be safe. And the second most important information is I'll be making a very important video on the hobbies, because some of my freshers, some of my new candidates of class 12th who are just stepped up in their graduation, who have just now did their graduation, they were asking me, sir, what to make our hobby, we don't have any hobby such type. So I'll be making a video on the hobby itself, and I'll be telling you what to make, how to make, what to do in the aspects of hobbies. For example, I have just now uploaded a video of guitar. I'll be also uploading my videos on guitar, and I'll be teaching you how to play guitar. And because it's my hobby, and my other hobby is also to write diaries. You can see that this is my diary of this year, and these two hobbies I am having. So hobby also play a very important role, and in each and every interview these people ask, what is your hobby, how is your hobby helpful, means why do you do this hobby. So there are questions on that. ठीक है, तो with these all things I must just tell you कि okay, enjoy yourself. This is a very precious moment in which we are living, so enjoy this festival. Happy Holi.